What's up, bimbos with brimbos? I hope everyone is doing good mentally, physically, and mechanically. So today in this video, we are gonna do the teardown on the EJ257. Now this is my first teardown on like a car and not like a military vehicle. So I'm not gonna do a how-to because I'm kind of like figuring it out as I go. But it's gonna be like a time lapse and a cool video. So yeah, just stay tuned. Woohoo! After you take the belt and the pulley off, then you have to take the cam sprockets off. Now this is pretty much the worst part of the teardown unless you have a JDM camshaft, but I have a crappy US camshaft, so it was hard. The JDM camshafts come with a hex on it like right here, and you can put an adjustable on it and then break the cam sprocket off. But the US sucks and we don't have that. They make a tool for like $40 to get the cam sprocket off, but I was impatient and I didn't get it, so I don't know how well that works. But if you don't want to buy the tool like me and you're trying to ball on a budget, just take an angle grinder or a Dremel or something and cut it off like this. I don't have a video of actually taking the cam sprockets off because I was emotional and upset, but I wanted to explain that and kind of like give you a heads up in case you're doing a teardown and you run into the cam sprockets and you're like, why won't it come off? So yeah, let's continue. Happy Halloween. As a little trick-or-treat, guess what I got off? My camshafts. Look how grody it looks in there. Yuck. Now we're taking the head bolts out, and then we're gonna take the head off. All right, let's do it. Boy. Oh my God! Not enough. Okay, alright, so we had to take this stupid exhaust manifold off, and I have like 1,000 heat shields, so it took like forever. And cans are back in, so now we should just be able to do a little boop. A bigger boop? I booped the other side. Hold on. Carbon boys, okay. Eat. It's so heavy. Going to split the vlog and see what's going on and what's wrong with it, but I've decided to get an IAG stage 2 vlog, so I'm not going to touch this. I'm just going to try to sell it as is. As far as we know, low compression and all the cylinders, and it's old and janky looking. But if you're interested, hit me up and I can give you the Bimbos with Brimbos discount. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. This was my first EJ257 and probably last teardown because this sucked a lot. But once I have all the new parts for the new motor, I'm going to be doing a video putting all that together, and hopefully it'll be easier than this was. Probably not. So stay tuned for that video, and if you guys liked it, like, comment, share, tell your friends, tell your mom, dad, bimbo, cousin, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye!